Jason. Can I also play with the excavator?
No, I was first.
Please, I want to play.
But you need to do 3 things.
What?
1. Get my toy from school. 2. Get bananas from the supermarket. And 3. Make your homework.
Okay, Jason, I'm going right now.
Okay, good.
Alright, guys. First thing that I have to do is get Jason's toy. Let's go. I have to be fast. I have to get Jason's toy. This way. Let's go.
Woo!
Yay! There it is, guys. There is your toy. I see Jason's toy. Hey, what is this? Let's see. That was cool. Yes! I found Jason's toy. I collected the first item. Let's go! Alright, guys. There's the supermarket. Let's go inside.
Woo!
Alright, it's time for some shopping. Alright, guys. We're gonna get some bananas. Let's go. Okay, guys. Here are the bananas. I'm gonna get these bananas for Jason. Look, let's go.
Oh, yeah!
Yes. Alright, guys. I got the bananas and the car for Jason.
Awesome!
Alright, guys. I got the toy for Jason. I got the bananas. Now it's time for homework. Alright, let's start. First, we're learning colors. This is red, this is yellow, this is blue, this is purple. Done! Now time for letters. A is for apple, B is for ball, C is for cat, and D is for dog. Let's write that down. Done! Let's now learn some new words. Alright, so C is for car. This is a brush, this is a bottle, and this is a butterfly. I did my homework. It's time to go to Jason. Alright, Jason. I got the 3 things. I got the bananas, I got the truck, and I did my homework. Alright, can I now have the stuff?
Yes!
Alright! Thank you so much, Jason. Now I can play. I love this toy.